Hi, hello and welcome. This is your favorite chef Sri Bala. I hope you would love my recipes. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn the notifications on. Enjoy and happy cooking.
It's Diwali time and everyone will be thinking what to cook and what not to cook, and it should be ready in a jiffy. Something like that is what we are going to do today. A recipe made with custard powder and that too on halwa. Enlightening, isn't it? Come, let's see it.
Kindly make a note of the ingredients needed for making custard powder halwa. The cup measurement is very important. Don't miss that. In a vessel, I have added 1 cup of custard powder. With the same cup, I am going to take 2 measurements of water and I am going to add it, whisk it nicely and make it into a slurry. After you whisk it, set it aside. We should not have any lumps in it, so it's a normal room temperature water. In a pan, with the same cup, I am taking 2 cups of sugar. 1 cup I have already added. I am going to add the second cup. So 2 cups of sugar. Now with the same cup, I am going to add 2 cups of water. It's a very simple recipe provided you do the measurements right. So 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, a pinch of salt. This again does not need any consistency. The sugar syrup need not have any consistency. We are just mixing it and dissolving the sugar. The sugar is dissolved, so I am going to add the slurry. Again, while adding the slurry, whisk it once more because the top part will be watery and the bottom will set. So mix it nicely, then add it. Once you add it, you keep on stirring it, otherwise it will become lumps. So be very careful because immediately it will start setting. See there? It's starting to set here. So never stop whisking it. You should keep on stirring it. Very important tip, don't forget this. Next comes the mixed nuts. You don't have to roast this because we are cooking it along with it, so no roasting is needed. Add it and again start stirring it. It will start leaving the sides. That's the time we need to add the ghee. I'll tell you when to add it, but right now keep stirring. Always leave the sides and try and remove the sticky portion from the sides. The way I'm doing it, I'm starting to add the ghee now. Again stir. That's why I said you can add the nuts without it getting roasted because we are anyway cooking it in high heat. In the meanwhile, grease the plate and keep it ready. Starting to leave the sides now. And while it is in this gooey texture, you switch it off and transfer it to the plate. Set it nicely. If there is any lumps or uneven portions, flatten it. Time to add the cardamom powder. That again can be set. Dab it gently so that the flavors go till the bottom. This needs to be set aside for a minimum of 1 hour. After 1 hour, let's see what happens to it. Oh wow, Eureka, isn't it? An awesome halwa is ready. As I told you, it's a simple recipe in a jiffy and a very, very tasty halwa. I hope you would love this recipe and you'll be doing it this Diwali in your homes and giving me your feedback. Until we meet again, you can always follow me in all the other social media. The links are given in the description. Happy Diwali once again.